Are you very talented? He is very powerful. He is very worried about it. He is very creative. We are all very shining. So guys, I know you have noticed that I am using very word in my all the sentences. So that's why I also want to recognize you that we use very word in most of our daily conversation sentences. I know guys, you are also gonna bored to use this sentence by this word, because if we will use this word again and again, we will get irritated from that. So guys, here's the solution for you that in this video we are going to learn some smart replaceable words of very. Yes guys, so be at the last, because if you will be at till the end, you will learn all the sentences and words, how to use it with some example. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I am Mohit Pandey and I am the founder of Trendy Chat. So guys, as I mentioned before, in this video only, we are going to learn some smart replaceable words of very. So guys, our first word coming out here, that is first, that will again a surprisable and mysterious for you. Can you recognize it? Very quick. Yes guys, it is our first word because we use most of the times in our daily conversation guys. He is very quick, he gone very quick at most of the time we use. So here's the replaceable word for very quick. So guys, the replaceable word of very quick, that is rapidly. Yes guys, instead of saying very quick, you can use the word called rapidly. Yes guys, for example, if we gonna to a bank, then here's the example can be come against you. Do not think rapidly if the matter related to money. Yes guys, it can be an example. Here rapidly is doing job of what? Very quick. So this type of, or you can say it works like this only guys, because it also sounds to be good as compared to very quick, and you are also getting improved by your English conversation. Because if you will improve your English vocabulary, then only your impression also get increased towards other people. Our second word, that is guys, very perfect. Yes guys, it is our second word because we also use this sentence. In our sentence we use this word mostly. Even if in school you have listened this word by your class teacher or classmates. Just like he is very perfect in all the subjects. Yes guys, it can be an example of it. But here the replaceable word of very perfect, did you know that? If you want to know, please tell me in the comment below. So guys, the replacing word of very perfect, that is flawless. Yes guys, it is the replacing word of very perfect. Just we can take example of a person. It is the very common example because here's the example. Listen carefully. Guys, he is very flawless for singing. Yes guys, can you think how we replaced word and you didn't think the word is replaced? And it really good sounds to be for among others. And if you will say by using this word in your sentence, then all will get interacted with you, and also the interest in your also get increased. In if we see in other people's opinion, you will get high populated. Yes guys, your popularity will also get increased. And if you will use this new sentences by using some new words, then other people's also try to copy you and your popularity will be get increased among them also. Our third word, that is guys, very shy. Yes guys, I know it is the word mainly used for girls and ladies. I know guys, you are thinking that only. So I know you are also get really excited to know the replacing word of very shy. So guys, its replacing word that is timid. Yes guys, you can use just like we can take example. She is very timid when she meets someone else. Yes guys, because here we can't use very shy, so that's why we use timid. And I know you are also thinking that it is also beneficial for us only, because if we will be hard work for our daily conversation improvement, then it will also help us in our future, because in next day you have to take a goal that I have to learn a new word daily. Wait guys, before going forward to see another examples, just hit the like button, because if you will hit the like button, I will also get motivated from the number of likes that is hitted by you, because I also get motivation from that, and that motivation always helps me to making new such videos for you guys. So please hit the like button. Our next word that is guys very powerful. Guys, it is also a word which we use in our daily life. Guys, so here's it is replaced by compressive. Yes guys, it is the word which is used for the very powerful. So we can just take an example. That boy is very compressive as compared to others. Yes guys, it is like that. You can also use in different situations, in different sentences. So do not worry guys, you can use it very easily. Our next sentence that is guys very shiny. Yes guys, it is also a word which we use for describing a kind of light and brightness. So the replacer word of this word that is guys gleaming. Yes, you heard right. Just we can take example. Let's see example guys. After cleaning my car, it is gleaming. Means guys, after I wash my car is really getting brightness more as compared to before. So here's the use of this word guys. Our next word that is guys very creative. Yes guys, it is also used for describing such creativity lovers of in the world. So guys, this word is replaced by the innovative. Yes guys, it is replaced by innovative. Just like we can take example just like that. In a class, that boy is very innovative in the craft. Yes guys, he loves the creativity and new inventions. That really means that. And if you will say this sentence among anyone, he will also get impressed by you and show some interest as compared to before, higher in you. Our last but not the least guys, very talented. Yes guys, this is our last word. So guys, I know you are also thinking, how can we replace it? So here's the replacing word that is guys gifted. I know you are thinking, how can be gifted? It will be replaced or not? You are confused because without example, we can't able to understand how to use it. So here's the example, listen carefully. That man has gifted a beautiful voice by the God. Yes guys, means you are describing his specialities that he gained from the God. Yes guys, so just like that, you can also use these words in your daily vocabulary and daily use sentences. So if you want to improve your English vocabulary, so stay tuned with us guys, because as I mentioned, here in our channel you will find various types of videos from which you can improve your English conversation. So we try to be motivated, because if you will be motivated, then only you are gonna to be keep some hard work on yourself. So stay motivated with us and take a steps towards success.